In today's tutorial, we will review the Canvas Gradebook along with the grade sheet for quiz, exam and final exams for the 12-week science courses, which is AHP 215, AHP 216, AHP 217, Bio 101 and Bio 205. For this tutorial, I'm going to jump into the AHP 217 shell. Once in the shell, I'm going to go to the Gradebook. And the gradebooks will be broken down by weeks, assignments, labs, discussions. So for example, we'll see week 1, lesson 1 discussion, week 1, lesson 2 discussion, followed by the labs, in this case 1, 2 and 3, followed by any assignments, in this case chapter 14, and assignment 2, chapter 15. This will repeat for all 12 weeks. And at the end of the 12 weeks, we'll be brought to the quizzes. So the week 3 quiz, week 7 quiz, week 10 quiz. This will be followed by the exams, week 4 exam, week 8 exam, week 11 exam, and then the final exam. Now, as per the syllabus, you'll have your labs, assignments, and discussions broken into that 20% of the grade, along with the pass-fail. And then we'll have the quizzes, exams, and final exams set at the 5, 55, and 20%. Now the students will need to know their cumulative grade of the quiz, exam and final exam to ensure that they're making that minimum of a 78% in the course to pass. In order to do this, as Canvas does not allow us to group these 3 sections at the end, what we have done is we've created a spreadsheet to help us work out that calculation. So I'm going to jump back to modules, and underneath modules, you'll see student resources. Inside student resources, we're given some information such as the master codes and setup, but we'll also have this science grade calculator student edition. So if you click on this sheet, it will load up a preview inside the Canvas shell. Unfortunately, Canvas does not allow this file to be editable. So what we need to do is download this sheet. The students only need to download it once. However, if they download it more than once, it does not affect any of the calculations. Once the Microsoft Excel sheet opens, the students will be able to input the data and check to see what their cumulative percentage is for quiz, exams, and final exam. So once it opens, if the Enable Edit feature at the top is active, just click on that. And we're going to make this sheet full screen. So at this point, you'll see the week 3 quiz, week 7 quiz, 10 quiz, along with the exams, final exam, and the averages. So for example, if the student comes in and they receive a 60 in that week 3 quiz, it will average their quizzes at 60 so far. The weighted average to date will not change until there's further quizzes or exams in order for this calculation to take effect. But so for example, if we come to week 4 exam and that student receives a 90, we now see that we got an average for the exam average, the quiz average, along with that weighted average to date. And we can continue adding some grades, and you'll see that that percentage does change. We'll come to that week 10, and maybe the student does not have a great day. However, as that is only 5% of the grade, we notice that the grade average does not drop all that much. And then we come to that final, and then we'll have that weighted average to date.